In the last video, we saw how to select a kubo from a list of options that fit your requirements. In this one, we take a step back and look at the information available to help you compare the different options. CELUS makes it easy to compare each kubo option matched for the project requirements. Click the info icon on the left panel, or right-click on the schematic, and then click the View Kubo Details option in order to access detailed information about an option. We can see general information like the name, description, and functionality of this kubo at the top of the screen. Like a digital datasheet, we can see specifications for the kubo here in this table. As in the kubo results screen, you can access the full working schematic for the kubo on the right-hand side. Zoom in to see more detail. The CUBOᴹ lists all the components in the default configuration of the kubo. If you need even more information on the specific component, you can click on the MPN to access additional details. The Additional Resources tab contains additional information like manufacturer application notes. The Ports tab lists detailed information for connecting this kubo to others in the circuit. With detailed information that is easy to find and filter through, we feel empowered to select the right kubo for our project. Next, we look at CUBOᴹ, the helper that finds relevant information for you.